Whether you're a first-time commuter or a seasoned veteran who's familiar with using pre-tax dollars to get from point A to point B, you'll quickly learn that with Discovery Benefits, the ride is smooth. Commuter Benefits help you save on subway, bus, and train rides, as well as parking and van pooling with Uber Pool and Lyft Line. How? By allowing you to use pre-tax dollars towards your work-related transit and parking expenses each month. That's right, Commuter Benefits are a monthly benefit, so those pre-tax funds will only be available after you've contributed them each month. Here's how it all works. Once you've enrolled in a commuter plan through your employer, you'll receive a Discovery Benefits debit card to use your funds. Using your commuter dollars is easy. Simply swipe your debit card at the station for a daily ticket, or log into your transit authority's website or mobile app to purchase or reload a monthly pass. Did we mention the paperwork? No? Good, because there isn't any! And since you're someone who's on the go, don't forget to download the free Discovery Benefits mobile app to check your commuter balance anytime, anywhere. Navigating the city can be hectic, so it's nice to know that Discovery Benefits commuter plans will simplify the process for you.